Boiled corn or corn on the cob is one of my favorite side dishes. It is boiled with herbs and spices and tossed with a seasoned garlic herbed butter. It can be served as a snack or alongside any meal. Sweet corn that you eat off the cob is considered a starchy vegetable. It is high in carbs and packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is also relatively low in protein and fat. Corn is a naturally gluten-free food and can be eaten by those who avoid gluten. So seeing how good corn is for you, let's make it even better using this recipe. Here is a list of what you will need. Today I'm using fresh sweet corn, which I already dehusked and cleaned. About 6, and you can boil it whole like this, or if you prefer you can cut it in half or into smaller pieces. Into a very large pot, you're adding enough water so that the corn can boil for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. So here I have my pot up on high heat, and now I'm going to add all my ingredients. Next, I'm adding my 10 finely chopped or grated garlic, half a cup of beni or cilantro, salt to taste, your black pepper, you can also add to your likeness, 2 pimentos finely chopped or diced, Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Remember, this has salt in it too, so be mindful of that when you're adding your salt. 1 tablespoon. And lastly, I'm going in with my coconut milk. So this has been freshly blended. Coconut milk is optional. It gives the corn an extra rich and creamy taste, but if you don't want to cook with it, feel free to leave it out. And depending on if you want it spicy or not, add your habanero or scotch bonnet pepper. And now I just let everything boil on high heat for about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna just set the timer. And that's it. It's looking good already. And then once this is done, at the end we're gonna make a herbed garlic butter to spread on the hot corn, just to add a little extra flavor again. And if you don't want that, feel free to just omit it. So now I'm gonna make the garlic herbed butter. I've melted 1/4 cup of Kerrygold salted butter. And I'm just gonna add that to some beni or bhandhania or cilantro and grated garlic. You can add some hot pepper in there if you would like. So this is going to be what we're gonna serve with our corn. Guys, have you ever heard of corn chow? Well, if you ever want to make it, just leave out the butter and combine garlic, beni, hot pepper, salt and black pepper, and coat the boiled corn. And then you've got yourself some delicious corn chow. And that hot melted butter is just going to make that garlic infuse in it and bring out that garlic flavor. So now we're going to put the corn together. Guys, this tastes amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye for now. See you in the next video.